Hey guys, it's me, Janelle, with here another video, and it's another unboxing of my K-Pop Pen Pals. Sorry if you hear things in the back, it's because my dad is doing the lawn and my sister's here with me.
Hello.
So, this pen pal letter is from my pen pal Stephanie. We just started being pen pals like how I was with Jen and Stephanie. If you're watching this, this is my reaction to your letter. Now let's get on with the video. First off, I do want to say, Stephanie, you decorated this very nicely. Like, even I can't do something like this. So this is the front and this is the back. Yep. So I already pre-opened this because the last time I had struggled with it, so I just thought to open it previously to this video. So this is everything in it, and we're gonna get straight into it. So this one is the letter. This one, probably the playlist because I see something. And okay, let me just get the envelope out of the way so we can just focus on these things. So here we have the extras, which I do look at last. We have, oh, the questions. Wow, she did it so pretty. Even now I can't do this. And then we have the playlist. Hey! EXID. You're blocking my son. So I know EXID. I know Zico, but I don't know the rest. Huh. This is interesting. I will put it into my playlist that I created on YouTube about all these songs. So, yep. And then this is a letter, which I'll read off camera. Wow. That's a nice letter. I'll put that aside. So now we're going on to, okay, I just showed you the playlist. Put that aside. And then these are the questions. So she asked me, favorite color, tea or coffee? What are 5 things are you currently in love with? How many languages do you know? And favorite movie? I will answer this in my Pen Pal with Me video that will be coming up next after this upload. Then we go on to this extra bag. Oh, I just realized she just went with a blue theme. Like I explained in my last Pen Pal with Me or Pen Pal unboxing video, I forget which one, but I don't know how to do themes. She gave me stickers. Wow. Okay, so let's start off with the stickers. So we have Gudetama. Oh, he's upside down. Gudetama. Totoro. I think this is also Totoro. Yeah. Wake Up and Dream sticker. This fan art sticker, I think. And these stickers. She also gave me these washi tapes. One is an EXO washi tape, and then the others are blue washi tapes. Wow. What is this? Is this another sticker? This is a pretty sticker. Oh my god. Then this is, oh, here's another sticker. It's a blue Totoro. And then this one, oh, it's just a card. Wow, that's nice. And then we have more whales? Whale post-it notes? I think they're whales. Yeah, I think they're whales. Yeah, that is it for everything of my Pen Pal from Stephanie, and I will be doing my first letter to her real soon. That will be my next video probably. And if you are currently watching this on Saturday, I could be either back from summer vacation and I just started senior year, or I'm already in my senior year. I do not know when this video is gonna go up. I know it's gonna be somewhere in August. But that's the end of my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. And remember, you are always stronger than you think you are. I make videos every Saturday and I upload probably every 3 a.m. And yes, most of my videos are pre-recorded. So I'll see you guys next time.